How to clean your Panduit gun. Everyone has one of these covered in mastic, so get out your goo gun and start spraying it down. Make sure you put a lot of this. Put a lot on both sides, and then you want to let it rest for about 10 minutes, and the goo gun is going to make the mastic really soft. So now you can take it off just by rubbing on it, or you can scratch it with your nail, or for the really fine details you can get out a toothpick. Then you want to rub on it with a rag, and this stuff starts coming right off. After about 15 minutes, it is good as new.